Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the vlog. Today is August 30th, but we will be posting this video August 31st. So sorry about that. Today, me and Maddie are going to Wonderland. Maddie does live a little bit far from me. So right now it's 8:20. I'm gonna be leaving my place at 8:45 to try to be there at around 9:15, 9:30. And then when we get there, because Wonderland's like right across the street from Maddie, we're gonna try to go there and then park early and then go. So I'm super excited. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I go to get Maddie. Okay guys, I'm going down the stairs now and I'm going to go in the car. My mom is coming in 2 minutes. I'm so excited, we're leaving soon. Guys, I just got to Maddie's house. I'm gonna go down and get her. She's probably so excited right now. Let's go. So excited. I'm waiting for her to answer the door. Hopefully she comes. Yes. Can I come in? I have my shoes on. Oh. Okay, guys, I just came to Maddie's house. Maddie, I'm vlogging.
Let's go.
Hi.
I got everything I have.
Hi. Let's go. Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you better say bye to your mom first.
I know. I gotta put my shoes on too, my Adidas.
Yeah, Adidas. And we saw the drops, and I'm just freaking out already. Girl, we're gonna do Dragon Fire. Woohoo! Oh, finally, I got her excited. I'm
so happy.
Wait, you got a pink cup? We have a blue one.
Oh,
You're so lucky.
why don't this?
Wait, did you bring your sweater?
Oh yeah, I'm wearing it right now around my waist. So that way, I could just easily, voila. No, I'll fix it in the car. Oh, it's cold.
I know, that's why I said bring a sweater.
Oh, don't worry.
Do you like my vlogging stand thing?
I love it.
Do you love it? Yeah, I love it too.
Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna sit behind you.
Okay guys, we just got in the car. I'm gonna vlog it. We're about to go in Wonderland, the parking lot right now. We are so excited. Our friends are already there. We're so excited.
I'm so excited.
It's gonna be the best.
The first ride we're going on is Nightmares. It's gonna be
Wait, I thought it was the boat.
Oh wait, yeah, just to make sure I'm good.
And then we're gonna do Dragon Fire. And then we're gonna do Nightmares. Excited?
Yep.
I'm so excited. Okay, see you guys later. Guys, we just got to Wonderland. We're parking right now.
We're parking, literally.
Okay, we just parked and look, the rides are right there. We're so close to Leviathan.
And my nails are blue, so it matches Leviathan too. So
we found parking.
I mean,
I'm gonna shake.
Leviathan looks fun, but I mean, I'm kind of nervous if I were to go on it.
Just got out of the car, guys. We're gonna walk. Wonderland's right there.
There's
the entrance. That's Leviathan. It's so big. Look, they're test riding it because there's no one on the ride.
Oh yeah,
I told you. Okay, guys, we just went through the admission and we bought her ticket, and now we're in the park. So let's go ride some rides. Woohoo!
Yay! What's up, bro?
And Maddie, we're gonna go on Spinnovator, and then we're gonna go Spinulator. They're testing it, and then we're gonna go on Dragon Fire next. Okay, guys, me and Juan just went on Dragon Fire, but Maddie was a little bit scared.
That was fun.
Even though she was a little scared, I told her she doesn't have to go on it, so she didn't go. And
we're going on Nightmares though.
Yeah, so that's okay if she didn't go on it. Maybe she was a little scared.
I'm still going on Drop Tower and Wild Beast.
Yeah, well, and Cyclone. Cyclone. We're going on Wild Beast. None of us have ever been on this ride, so we're gonna have fun. Guys, we went on Wild Beast. I think I already said
Yo,
that.
yeah, the Wild Beast though was like fun. The drop was humongous.
I literally started crying for no reason. It literally just came out when we were at
They're
the drop.
chickens.
I think we're gonna go on Stunt Coaster, Orbiter, Cyclone, and then maybe Sledgehammer if it's open. So
Yeah, we're going on Stunt Coaster now.
I wish I can actually like vlog us on the ride. Like
Yeah.
that would be fun, but like
We
We'd
put a
get in
GoPro
trouble.
on.
That's Serene. She's going on Skyhawk.
Clear.
They're going.
All clear. Welcome back, riders. We hope you enjoyed the ride. When the ride comes to a complete stop, you may gather all the startables and make your way towards the exit facing Wonder Mountain. Enjoy the rest of your day here at Canada's Wonderland. At this time, you may unbuckle your seatbelts. Please unbuckle your seatbelt.
guys, I just went on Skyhawk. Did you guys see me? That was fun. Okay, guys, we're in line for the stunt coaster right here. We're in line for stunt coaster. We're so excited. So yeah, it's a big lineup, but it's fun. This is what the stunt coaster looks like. It's small, but it's fun. Okay, guys.
We're going to Vortex now. Let's go.
We just did stunt coaster and it was very fun.
It's so fun. You should really try it. Oh, you dropped that. Well, stunt coaster is super fun. It's one of my favorite rides
I wanted
at
to go on
Wonderland.
Sledgehammer, but I wanted to go on Sledgehammer, but it was closed for testing. And I wanted to go on Cyclone, but no one would want to come on with me. So, guys, me and Juan just did Skyhawk.
Yes, it was awesome,
right
guys.
Right there. We just did Skyhawk. It was awesome, wasn't it? It's pretty much empty here a little.
Yeah, it's not that busy. Like all the rides, like there's no lineups really.
So now we're gonna go on Vortex, which is right here. We're gonna go on right now. We're in Vortex. You guys got that 2-second like view of us on Vortex.
Yeah.
That was so much fun. I think we're gonna go back to Stunt Coaster and Orbiter and maybe Sledgehammer.
Yeah, the only reason why it was 2 seconds is because there's employees and we didn't want to get in trouble.
Yeah,
So,
like you're not allowed to. But I had my phone like in this and it was like around my waist, so I just took it out really quickly and hey. But yeah, good. Guys, I'm not like. Look at my shoes. Sorry. Okay. Sorry, we're not vlogging too much. It's just we're just trying to enjoy the moments.
Yeah, so
Have fun.
that's a heads up for you.
Yeah.
This is part 1. Let's go to part 2.
There's no such thing as that.
Oh yeah.
You want to hold the camera? Sure. She hasn't held it all day.
Oh, honey,
Hello. There's one.
Wait, what do you do?
Oh, we're doing this.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Okay, guys. So we are waiting for our hot dogs right now.
Yes.
Or we got our hot dogs, now we're gonna eat. Hey guys, we're in line for the Mind Buster. It's a very long lineup, but we're still gonna wait. So, yeah.
And yeah, we're gonna go.
See you guys.
guys.
We
Yo,
just got
guys.
off Mind Buster.
Yeah, we just got off the Mind Buster, guys. That was awesome.
It
so
was
lit.
so fun.
And my
But she
hair
was
is
crying.
just a little, not a lot. I was just scared with the drops and stuff.
Yeah, it was awesome.
But then it wasn't that bad after.
Yeah. So let's find my mom. Okay guys, we're going to Stunt Coaster. We won Fastlane.
Yeah.
We won Fastlane tickets for Stunt Coaster and for Skyhawk. So we're gonna do both of them. And Juan's leaving very soon. He's leaving after we go on Stunt Coaster, and then me and Maddie are gonna go on
See,
Skyhawk.
that thing,
This one.
That thing that's spinning, I want
we're going
Fastlane for that. So
We're gonna go on it. And me and Juan won for Stunt Coaster, so we're all gonna go on it. It's gonna be a blast. Sorry we're not vlogging like the actual like rides.
it's because we don't want to break her phone because it could fall off, and we don't want to get in trouble.
Yeah. Now if we had a GoPro and we attached it to our
Yeah,
heads,
exactly.
that's bad. Okay guys, so we got funnel cake. We're leaving right after. It's 7 o'clock now and we're gonna leave after, so it looks so good. Okay guys, we just finished our funnel cake and unfortunately we are leaving.
Very sad.
Very sad.
Next time we're going on Dragonfire because I didn't want to go.
And I ended up doing it twice alone.
Yep. So next time we're going, we're gonna go on that for sure.
Yeah.
And won't be scared.
And we're gonna do other rides. We had a pretty good day. Like we went on
was
some pretty good
fun.
rides. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah. Great guys. I guess Subscribe.
Subscribe, like, and comment.
And put on your post notifications
Make sure you do the hashtag Maddie and Serene Gang.
to get shouted out in the next video.